In the realm of culinary magic, where flavor meets convenience, this Hamilton Beach Extra Large Stay or Go Slow cooker reigns supreme, promising to be the hero of your next grand feast. Whether you're preparing a hearty game day chili, hosting friends for a memorable evening, or treating your extended family to a sumptuous feast, this 10-quart capacity slow cooker is your ticket to culinary excellence. As we delve into the world of effortless cooking and seamless serving, prepare to be captivated by the allure of the Hamilton Beach Slow Cooker that's poised to redefine the art of hosting. Here are the key features of Hamilton Beach Slow Cooker: a symphony of flavor for the whole gathering, culinary excellence redefined. Imagine a culinary landscape where creating a feast for a crowd becomes an effortless endeavor. The Hamilton Beach Extra Large Stay or Go Slow Cooker unveils its grandeur with a generous 10-quart capacity that can accommodate a 10-pound turkey or a 12-pound roast, making it the epitome of culinary versatility. With the power to serve 12 or more people, your gatherings are about to be transformed into unforgettable experiences where culinary excellence reigns supreme. Spill-free culinary brilliance, a feast for the senses and the soul. Bid farewell to culinary mishaps as the Hamilton Beach Slow Cooker boasts a lid that securely clips to the handles, ensuring that transporting your delectable creations is a spill-free affair. Picture yourself carrying piping hot meals to family gatherings, potlucks, or serving dishes straight from the table without the worry of spills. The fusion of culinary brilliance and practical design ensures that every dish reaches its destination intact, leaving you to bask in the adoration of your guests. Unleash flavor with effortless mastery, the art of culinary simplicity. Elevate your culinary prowess with the Hamilton Beach Slow Cooker's intuitive controls, designed to grant you the ability to create flavor-packed dishes with minimal effort and unparalleled results. The dial becomes your culinary wand, effortlessly conjuring up meals that tantalize the taste buds and mesmerize the senses. With this slow cooker, there's no need to hover. Simply set it and watch the magic unfold. Precision temperature mastery, your culinary symphony awaits. Dive into a world of culinary precision with the Hamilton Beach Extra Large Stay or Go Slow Cooker's 3 heat settings. Let your culinary symphony unfold as you choose between low and high to craft your masterpiece. As the final notes approach, switch to the warm setting, ensuring that your creations remain impeccably warm and ready to be savored at your leisure. Seamless serving, effortless elegance, where function meets style, the Hamilton Beach Slow Cooker transcends mere functionality, embracing a touch of elegance with its full grip handles. Carrying your culinary creations to the table becomes an experience of effortless elegance, allowing you to serve your masterpiece with finesse and style. The large slow cooker's ergonomic design ensures that you can carry and present your dishes with grace, leaving a lasting impression on both the culinary stage and the hearts of your guests. Rediscover the art of gathering. Embrace the Hamilton Beach Slow Cooker. The Hamilton Beach Extra Large Stay or Go Slow Cooker is more than an appliance. It's a culinary masterpiece waiting to be unraveled. Rediscover the joy of hosting and the magic of flavor as you unveil delectable creations that leave a lasting imprint on every palate. Elevate your gatherings to new heights of culinary brilliance and experience the seamless harmony of flavor, convenience, and elegance that only the Hamilton Beach Slow Cooker can deliver.